Welcome, student. This is part 3 of chapter 9 Family and Community. Let's start. Which is an advantage of a joint family? And correct answer is C, shared responsibilities. What does Tenzing's grandfather do during power cut? And correct answer is B, register a complaint. What lesson do both stories teach? And correct answer is C, value of family cooperation. What is a challenge faced by Tenzing's family? And correct answer is D, hard life in the mountain. Why do modern couple prefer nuclear families? And correct answer is B, for freedom and privacy. What value does Tenzing's mother teach? And correct answer is B, saving for emergencies. Who collect money for storm damage in the neighborhood? And correct answer is C, grandfather. What did stories promote? And correct answer is D, cultural values and family unity. How does Tenzing's family handle chores? And correct answer is B, shared by all members. What is one similarity between Shalini's and Tenzing's family? And correct answer is A, live in joint families. What does the term community generally refer to? And correct answer is C, a group of connected individuals. What is the main objective of the Bhil community's Halma tradition? And correct answer is B, to support individual in time of crisis. In the context of the Bhil community's efforts, what did they plan to combat the water crisis? And correct answer is A. Trees. What significant award was given to Shri Mahesh Sharma in 2019? And correct answer is B. Padma Shri. During the 2050 Chennai flood, what was a major effort by private group? And correct answer is D. Distributed free food. What is the role of Residents Welfare Association in urban area? And correct answer is D. Manage waste and cleanliness. What is the primary value reflected in Kamal Parmar's initiative for underprivileged children? And correct answer is A. Education for all. How did children attending Kamal Parmar's classes react to the challenges they faced? And correct answer is C. They remained attentive despite the difficulties. What did Kamal Parmar provide in addition to tuition? And correct answer is B. Free dinner. What type of education did Kamal Parmar's initiative provide? And correct answer is C. Free evening tuition. How did Kamal Parmar's initiative impact the volunteers? And correct answer is B. They learned a lot from the children. What is a major challenge for underprivileged children in accessing education? And correct answer is D. Financial constraint. What is an example of a community that make its own rule? And correct answer is A. Residents Welfare Association. How did the Bhil community approach water conservation? And correct answer is B. They planted trees and dug trenches. What is the role of community in times of crisis as shown in the stories above? And correct answer is B. Come together and support each other. Thanks for watching my MCQ channel. Please like, share, and subscribe to get regular update. Thank you.